Hey guys, Delilah here once again from Midtown Comics, and this week's unboxing is the Green Arrow Black Canary statue from DC Collectibles. Batman and Catwoman, Superman and Lois Lane, Wonder Woman and Steve Trevor. These iconic couples have nothing on Green Arrow and Black Canary. The chemistry between the marksman and the martial arts expert is undeniable. And now, DC Collectibles has brought their charming relationship to life with a stunning statue standing at about a foot tall. This recreation of their relationship is based on the talented artist Cliff Chiang's work, and it's wonderfully sculpted by Jonathan Matthews. With two beautifully sculpted heroes and a stand that is, of course, appropriately adorable, a statue this impressive doesn't need any additional features. From Black Canary's hand and Green Arrow's hair to the great detail on their faces, DC Collectibles' latest statue is a real attention grabber and perfectly captures the beautiful bond between Oliver and Dinah. No DC fans collection is complete without this heartwarming statue. Thanks for watching, guys, and also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And also, don't forget to check us out again next week for another exciting collectible from your friends here at Midtown Comics.